Embarking on a career as a privacy professional offers a path filled with rewards, recognition, and the noble pursuit of protecting personal data in our increasingly digital world. However, like any career, it comes with its own set of challenges that can test the resilience, patience, and adaptability of those who choose this path. Here, we delve into some of the less discussed aspects, the worst parts, of being a privacy professional, shedding light on the hurdles encountered in the journey of safeguarding digital privacy. Keeping pace with rapid regulatory changes. One of the most daunting aspects of being a privacy professional is the relentless pace at which privacy laws and regulations evolve. With new laws being introduced around the globe and existing regulations constantly being updated to address new privacy concerns, professionals in this field must be perpetual students. This constant need to stay informed can be overwhelming, requiring significant time and effort to ensure compliance and adapt strategies accordingly. Balancing business goals with privacy requirements. Privacy professionals often find themselves in the challenging position of having to balance the strategic objectives of their organization with stringent privacy requirements. This balancing act can lead to tensions, especially when privacy considerations appear to hinder business innovation or efficiency. Finding common ground that respects privacy while still achieving business goals can be a complex and sometimes thankless task. Navigating unclear jurisdictional boundaries. In our global digital economy, privacy professionals must navigate the complex web of jurisdictional boundaries. Data flows freely across borders, but privacy laws do not. This creates a labyrinthine legal environment where professionals must ensure compliance with multiple, sometimes conflicting regulations. The lack of clarity and harmonization across jurisdictions adds an additional layer of complexity to their work. Managing data breaches and their aftermath. Dealing with data breaches is arguably one of the most stressful parts of a privacy professional's job. Despite the best preventive measures, breaches can and do occur, placing immense pressure on privacy professionals to manage the situation effectively. The aftermath of a breach, ranging from regulatory scrutiny and financial penalties to reputational damage, can be daunting to navigate, often under intense scrutiny and tight timeframes. The weight of ethical considerations. Privacy professionals bear the weight of significant ethical considerations in their work. They are not only responsible for complying with laws, but also for upholding the trust placed in them by individuals whose data is under their protection. This responsibility can feel burdensome, especially when faced with decisions that have far-reaching implications for individual privacy and organizational integrity. Addressing the privacy knowledge gap. Despite growing awareness of privacy issues, there remains a significant knowledge gap among stakeholders within many organizations. Privacy professionals often find themselves in the position of having to educate and advocate for privacy principles to colleagues who may not fully understand or appreciate the importance of these issues. This can lead to frustration and a sense of isolation in their efforts to foster a culture of privacy. The pressure of being the privacy gatekeeper. As the gatekeepers of their organization's privacy practices, privacy professionals face immense pressure to get it right. The consequences of failure are not just organizational but can have profound impacts on the lives of individuals affected by privacy missteps. This pressure to perform flawlessly can be a heavy burden to bear, leading to stress and burnout. Conclusion. While the career of a privacy professional is filled with opportunities to make a meaningful impact in the digital world, it is not without its challenges. From the relentless pace of regulatory changes to the ethical burdens and pressures of safeguarding personal data, the path is fraught with obstacles. However, it is precisely these challenges that underscore the importance and necessity of privacy professionals in our society. By acknowledging and addressing these difficulties, the field of privacy can continue to evolve, strengthening the protections it affords to individuals and society at large.